2021 saw a 31% increase in VR-related insurance claims. Since 2016, there have been 68% overall increase in VR-related injuries. Yes, of course.
It makes sense, right?
Man, I think, was it my kid who punched the wall? I think it was my kid was playing the boxing game, punched the wall full blast. It's like as if, you hear these stories, somebody's looking at their phone while they're driving their car. And then the difference between getting into a car accident when you see what's happening, and even if you hit the brakes for a split second versus just going straight in, is equivalent when your senses are removed from you and you have the VR on.
It's very immersive sometimes.
There's no resistance to what your body is doing. And so you don't hold back at all. And then kablamo, you hit some hard surface or you step into a coffee table. And we've talked about this in the past, how rooms are not, most people's living rooms or wherever they might use these things is not really set up for VR. When you start getting up and walking around, you don't have a really big open space to mess around in. What do they say here? Reported by The Guardian, you got this increase, 31%. This comes from insurance company Aviva, who told the UK outlet that it saw a large uptick in folks bashing into and breaking valuable pieces of furniture or TVs. Yeah, sure. What if you just go and throw a jab through this TV right here? This one will cost you a few dollars.
Yeah, it tips over.
Don't do that.
Falls on me too.
Don't do that, guys. Get it together. Clear out a lot of space, and I don't know, put cushions around you or something.